What's the meaning of cable TV? Cable TV. Cable TV.
Cable TV. Cable TV. Cable TV refers to a system of delivering television programming to consumers through coaxial cables. It offers a wide range of channels, including premium channels and more localized programming options. Cable TV is accessed through a cable box that is connected to the television, allowing viewers to select channels and access on-demand content. This service was first introduced in the 1940s and has since become a popular choice for consumers seeking a reliable and diverse range of television options.